The front servo is a pressure apply, pressure release type with unequal piston areas. It is engaged with the front clutch to provide second gear and acts on a lined spring steel band to lock the secondary sun gear to the casing. The apply force from the piston is transferred through its central stem and multiplied by the rocker arm with its leverage ratio approximately 3:1. This applies the band firmly when second gear is engaged. The apply fluid acts on the smaller piston area surrounding the hollow portion, which accommodates the return spring. If road speed is reduced, the 1-2 shift valve will move to the first gear position. This apply fluid will be exhausted at the 1-2 shift valve, letting the spring return the band to the off position. If road speed increases, the transmission will eventually upshift to third gear. This requires the rear clutch to engage, together with the already engaged front clutch. The front band must be released, but the apply fluid is not exhausted to provide this change. The apply fluid is retained. Then, when the 2-3 shift valve moves to supply fluid to the rear clutch, the same fluid is supplied to the release side of the front servo. Equal line pressures act on each side of the front servo piston, so the larger area on the release side generates greater force. This moves the piston to the released position. If the accelerator is depressed for kickdown, or road speed drops off, retaining the apply fluid can provide a snap band application to re-engage second gear.